Hello everyone. Are you ready to take your PowerPoint presentation to the next level? Today, I am going to show you how to create a cool rotating transition effect that will make your slide stand out. The best part, it's super easy to do. Let's get started. First, let's set our slide background. Right click on the slide. Go to Format Background and select Picture or Texture field. Click on Insert from a file and select your desired image and insert it. You will have a beautiful background ready to go. Next, let's enhance the texture of the image by adding a gradient layer. Insert a rectangle, drag it to cover the slide, and shape outline, make it no outline. Now, click on gradient field and choose a direction. Set the first top to position 25 with 100% transparency. Delete the middle two tops and set the second stop to black with 30% transparency. Let's create the rotating disc. Insert a flowchart shape. Here is a handy trick. Hold down the shift key while dragging to create a perfect circle. Then align middle from align. After that, go to Insert, click on Shape, select Circle, drag it. Then select both Align Center and Align Middle from Align and click on Slide Background Fill. Let's add some depth to our disc. Open the Effect option. Add a rightward shadow with size 103 and blur 10. Increase the distance for a more pronounced effect. Deselect this. Shape outline, make it no outline. Select this. Set the line to white with a thickness of 3 points. Now insert a text box. Type slide 1. Center your content. Change the font color. Make it bold and increase the font size. Duplicate the text box. Replace 1 with 2 and rotate it 90 degrees. Align it to the middle and repeat the process for the rest of the text. Select all text and go to text option. Apply this shadow effect. Set the flowchart shape with text box and group them. Then send to backward. After that, I am adding a text box with information about the PPT. Now, let's bring it all to life with the Morph transition. Duplicate the slide, change the background image, and rotate the flowchart shape counterclockwise while rotating the circle clockwise. Move the text content to the top side. Go to Transition, select Morph, and watch the magic happen. Repeat this process for the third and fourth slides. Finally, go to the first slide. Click on slideshow and enjoy your stunning rotating presentation. This effect is sure to captivate your audience and make your presentation unforgettable. And that's it. You have just created a cool rotating transition effect in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use this trick in your next presentation. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.